Katada, and I recently launched an AI automation agency about a few months ago, and here I am. I'm just gonna share with you guys my whole experience and all the stuff that I've learned throughout this journey. I know that I'm a beginner, but I'll try my best to actually provide you guys with knowledge and everything. So let's just start. So today actually marks my first video, and today in this video I'm just gonna tell you guys and share with you guys a bot that I actually made for a client of mine in the real estate niche. So let me just tell you the price I actually sold it for. I actually sold it for like 750, which actually rounded up to about 800 after the taxes and everything. So what the problem that they were facing is that they were just having repetitive questions. So the team would get repetitive questions, and like the clients and like the customers would just keep on and ask them like properties available and everything stuff like that, and the marketing team would just often have to like reply them again, and like they would actually also have the problem of like delayed response, and the customers would actually complain about that. So what I made from them for them is like it's not really a complex bot or anything, but it's basically a simple chatbot with an appointment system built in. So without further ado, let me just like explain and show you guys. So I'm actually gonna be providing you guys this whole template and this whole bot for free at the very end, and I'm just gonna tell you like how you can get it. So firstly, we just put in the start node, and like after the start node, we actually just put in a standard node. So in standard node, I put in an AI translation in which I did the event preview. So in the event preview, it means that the event that has actually happened before. So then I actually put in two categories, creating and asking a question, so that our AI can actually see that what the customer actually wants, whether they're just looking for a greeting or are they just asking for a question directly. So then I put in a raw input like ask the user, and I put it in the variable of raw input. I made a raw input variable of like the string choice. So then I actually put in another node connected to the greeting, which is actually the simple greeting, and then in the question which it will ask, and then it will like and here's the about the asking question. It will just go in there, and it will just assign the preview, like it will assign the event preview to the question variable, and then it will just go on forward to the AI translation, and it will just get the customer intent. So it's actually just here to get the customer intent. It will just see whether the customer is like trying to ask a question, or like they just trying to express interest in like reserving, or they just want the conversation to end. So if it will see that they're trying to ask a question, then it will just move on to the query knowledge base, and it will just then go and search the whole knowledge base, the which I'm using the apartment knowledge base. It will just go in there, and if the answer is not found in knowledge base, it say not found in knowledge base, and it will just actually send the message of the workflow answer, the answer that we will get through here. Here we will actually save the answer, so it will just actually display them here, and then it will like actually if the answer is not found, it will just show them I couldn't find the answer, and then it will just go and loop back to here. Yeah, it will just loop back to here. So if they are actually showing an interest in reserving, here is actually like a bit of a tricky part. Here's something that you might need to code a bit. So first of all, it will just ask them the question reserving. So what here I am asking it to do is that I am doing an AI task which will actually extract the apartment name, and it will store the apartment name in the output variable, which is actually the flow.apartment, and the input that we will actually be giving is the exactly same event preview. So then it will actually generate a list of 10 non-weekdays, and we are actually just doing it through here. That's actually just a simple code to get the date, and then we're actually just um, let me just move it to here, and yeah. So yeah, then we're just actually going into the appointment date, and we're just asking them to select the date. It will actually just show them a drop down will just show you the output later, and then it will actually show them a list of time, and here's the code. So like it will just actually show them the time. So here's the time, like the timing starts from 10 hour to 17, and it will just show them all the time within 30 minutes interval. So like it will show them 10, 10:30, 11, 11:30, like that. And after that we'll just show them everything in our format. and it will just ask them to select an appointment time, and then it will just change the appointment time into the ISO format date. So our bot will not actually just understand the R format, so we actually need to convert it into the ISO format. So for that, it's actually like a month and day and everything. So this code is just to convert it, and like after that, it will ask the user for the info, and it will just say them that say it in a single line like you use an email and everything. And then I have used an AI task which will actually like take in the email information and like from the sentence, email and name, and it will store in the respective variables. So here's a username variable and here's a user email variable. So then it will actually just post the appointment one, the whole appointment details onto the make. Yeah, so here's a make automation that I have actually already made, and it will just post it there, and which also I will be providing it to you. And then it will just say then thanks for the reservation, and then it will again loop back to the question. Yeah, it will just actually loop back to the question. So then it is actually finally the conversation end, and they will just actually end the conversation. So yeah, so after it couldn't just find the answer, it will just go them again to the question. It would ask them that what else can I help you with, and if they say or answer, it will just go back to the AI intent and just do everything. So I know this is not really a much complex bot or anything, and I told you that guys, it was actually just first of my video at the start of my journey. So if I do actually do something wrong and everything in the video, so just kind of just forgo it and don't mind it or anything. So that's pretty much the whole bot which I will actually be giving you guys, and let me just show you the how it works. So let's just test the bot. So yeah, it will ask us anything I can help you with. So I'll just say apartment details. So then it will just work it all out, and then it will just show it to me. Yeah, it just showed it to me all the apartment details that are available. So it's showing me all two available and not available right now according to the knowledge base. And then it will ask me anything else that I can help with. I can just ask, I want to book an appointment or a reservation, whatever, just say whatever. So it will just again move on to there and like move it, just gets it all by itself. And I don't know why I just ended the conversation. Let's just do it again. It might be an error on my side. I don't know. I just never got this one before. So to book a reservation. Don't mind the spellings. So let's see if it can actually see that. Why is it actually just keep showing me conversation ended? I can't figure it out right now, to be honest. Let's just do it again. Let me just type it all before, and I want to book a reservation. Yeah, so it should actually just run now. Yeah, it's just transition to reserving apartment. Yeah, so now I was just misspelling it, so it just ended the conversation by itself. So it will just show me dates and drop down like this, and I can just choose it, and after just choosing it I can just go, and it will actually show me the time slot, and I can just choose anything. So yeah, then it will ask me for Now it's just converting the date and time into ISO format, and yeah, now it's just asking me for my name is content. That's not my actual email, by the way. So what this will do is that it will actually just take in all of these details, and then it will like store it into a variable type 2. Okay, so it will actually store it all into the table here. That table you can just do like if a database by yourself, or you can just put in a Google Sheet or anything connected to it. So yeah, that is what it say. Thanks for the reservation. It will say anything else that I can help you with. Nothing. Bye. So yeah, then it just showed me like if you have any other questions, then feel free to ask, and then it will just the conversation ended. And that's pretty much it for today's video and everything. So um I will be giving this away bot for like free to you guys, and you can actually just get it by you can just DM me on my Instagram, which I will be leaving a link to in the description, and from there I will just send it to you, and I will also send the make automation to you, which you can actually use, and you can actually try to resell this whole bot to your real estate agencies. And if you have any queries, any questions, you can just feel free to ask me on my Instagram. And if there's anything wrong with the video or like there's any problem, then I will just really expect you all guys to like just forget, and but just be sure to like give me your review and everything in the comments. So thanks a lot for today, thanks a lot for watching, so have a great day.